Los Boliches is a popular beachside area located in the municipality of Fuengirola, which is a coastal town in the province of Malaga, in the Andalusia region of Spain. It is situated to the west of the city centre of Fuengirola, and is well known for its long sandy beaches, lively promenade, and variety of shops, restaurants, and bars. The current neighbourhood was historically an old fishing village that formed a population centre separated from Fuengirola, but due to the urban growth of the area, it is currently fully integrated into the city of Fuengirola. The first historical references of which there is news date from 1822, when in a register 25 inhabitants are recognized in the nucleus of Boliches. Around the 1930s, the houses were mostly huts with thatched roofs and were grouped along the old road. Places like the emblematic and benchmark bar Los Jabigotes show the typical gastronomy of the area. Its stews accompanied by the wide variety of seafood will leave you wanting more. Los Boliches has a relaxed and friendly atmosphere, and attracts many visitors, both Spanish and international, who come to enjoy its beaches and seaside lifestyle. The area has a wide range of accommodation options, from budget-friendly hostels to luxury hotels, making it a popular destination for tourists of all kinds. Overall, Los Boliches is a popular and vibrant area that offers a great combination of sun, sea, and culture, making it a fantastic destination for anyone looking to explore the beautiful Costa del Sol region of Spain.